You scared me, baby.
We bring Bibles to the Indians and we claps for our supporters.
Arthur,
Hey, boo-boo.
wake up.
Thank you very much. May close them.
Hey, boo-boo.
Oh, those big ones, yeah. Save them.
Allie said, I tried to get Madison to ask for the cat. I said, oh, you were working it, huh? You was going to have a bird and a cat. She said, I know, but she wouldn't go for it. Hey, baby. Well. Hey, baby. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. This little dumb bird done gone to sleep. That's a pretty kitty. This old dumb bird done gone to sleep now.
I know I can't get him to do nothing.
He's asleep.
He slept a long time today.
Wake up. He said, I'm awake. Mama, don't knock him off his perch. She'll knock his ass off.
He told her how to wake him up.